afraid, won't do it again. No, I don't want it, but is it fair? Pretend it's not there. Say I don't care when I just might be available for something reciprocal. Available emotionally. Do you really want to know what I'm thinking? Are you really ready for that conversation? You're so sweet, it's stupid. Don't know how you do it, but you do. Do you really wanna come see what it's like loving me? When my heart is open, my love is the dopest, and I know that you know this. But is it fair? Pretend it's not there. Say I'm making you happy can be so distracting, but I just might be available for something reciprocal. Feel like 250,000 bricks are on your shoulder, weighing you down, even though we're floating weightless in the solar. The planet feels heavy right now. Don't be distracted with all the madness. Learn to heal as quick as you feel. The power is magic. Don't make a habit when you're so fragile. Gotta stay in the light, keep a high vibe to be effective.